All right, so what's going on? My name is Aiden. I'm a top rated freelancer on Upwork, and today I'm just going to be doing a quick tutorial on how to optimize your listings and how to choose keywords. So there are a couple different tools that I use for listing optimization. The main one is something called Helium10. Recently, I made the switch over from Jungle Scout to Helium10. This tool that I use would normally cost you about $100 per month for the plan that I have. I also have another tool called Tactical Arbitrage, which I use for wholesale. So let's say you're trying to, resell name brand products like, Nike shoes, and you wanted me to look at a price list that you have from a distributor. Say, you send me the price list and you want me to, find the winning products. I could use this tool called Tactical Arbitrage. So for this tool, all I'll be doing is basically I would import the price list into here, and then it would basically filter out the leads. So you could actually see products which would be potentially winning products. It's a very great tool to have if you're doing wholesale, but today that's not what we're going to be focusing on. I'm going to be looking at Helium10 and how to use Helium10. In my opinion, this is probably the best tool on the market when it comes to Amazon FBA private label, which is what most people will probably be doing. So here, as you can see, we have a bunch of different products that came up when we searched coat hanger. We're just going to randomly choose one that's on page 2 or 3. And we're gonna just run through the process that I go through whenever I'm optimizing a listing. So let's go to page 3 here. Let's see what comes up. So we're gonna find one. This is completely random, by the way. I have not prepared for this at all. So let's just choose, let's see here. Let's choose this one right here. All right, so here we go. One of the things that we would use whenever we are first optimizing a listing is we want to see how we are ranking organically for our high volume keywords, and if these keywords that we are ranked for are useful. So a lot of times what you find, or what I found at least when I'm working for a client, is that generally the keywords that we are ranking for are not very useful. So let's just check this out and see. We're going to go over here to Helium10, and we can actually also use this tool called X-Ray to see estimates on the sales volume for this product. So let's just click X-Ray here. We can see sales estimates for the past month. We can see, graphs, estimated revenue, the BSR or bestseller ranking for the product, estimated FBA fees, the ratings, review count, review velocity, the buy box. This could be useful if you're doing wholesale. You have the categories, all of this information, which can be very useful. But all we're going to do right now is we're just going to copy the ASIN, and we're going to go over here to Cerebro. So for this, just go up here, and we are going to enter that ASIN. So now we have our data, and as you can see, you see a bunch of different columns here, and it can be a little confusing if you've never done this before. The main ones we're going to be worried about right now are the search volume and the organic ranking. So as you can see the organic rankings for each of these keywords. What this means is this is where the product is ranked organically if a customer were to type in this keyword phrase. So if I were to type in slim hangers non-velvet, this would be at number 3. The only thing is this keyword would not be that useful because it's showing that we're only getting about roughly 400 searches per month. So ideally, whenever we are choosing keywords, we want keywords that are getting at least about 1,000 to 1,500 searches per month. And what we will do is we will actually, target these keywords throughout the listing. So we'll try to include these high volume keywords throughout the title, the bullets, the description, and the search terms, so that Amazon thinks that our listing is relevant for those keywords and they rank us for